Cincinnati Children's Hospital is now being investigated by the federal government for scholarships used to help minority students.
And the Department of Health and Human Services now looking into whether those programs actually break the law. WLWT News 5's Sean McKinnon now speaking with the attorneys who brought the complaint to the federal government. Hi, Sean.
Hey, Mike, we're told Cincinnati Children's and the Cleveland Clinic are both being investigated, as well as Johns Hopkins in Baltimore. The law firm that brought the original complaint identified 4 programs at Cincinnati Children's it says are discriminatory. A Wisconsin law firm tells us the Health and Human Services Office of Civil Rights is investigating Cincinnati Children's for discrimination.
Basically allotting benefits and scholarship opportunities and other educational opportunities on the basis of an individual's race or sex. That's been illegal for a really long time.
At Children's Hospital, 2 scholarships and an internship given to minority students and a fellowship program are under the microscope. The law firm claims the programs violate Title VI protections of the Civil Rights Act. Attorney Kara Tolliver believes if the hospital refuses to end the programs, the Trump administration could pull grant money from Children's.
On the line for these organizations right now is a whole lot of federal funding.
The move would align with the Day 1 executive order from the White House aimed to end federal funding at institutions with DEI programs. It's now on hold after a federal judge blocked the Trump administration and the Department of Justice from enforcing it. It's unclear how that ruling will impact the investigation at Children's Hospital.
That will take the agency as long as it takes the agencies.
Tolliver also points to another decision from 2023 when the Supreme Court effectively ended affirmative action in college admissions. She says that also applies to the Children's Hospital investigation.
And I think that the position of the court very much strengthened cases that are challenging race-based action like this.
We reached out to Cincinnati Children's to get a response about the complaint filed and the potential investigation. They denied to give a comment or go on camera with us today. Live from Cincinnati Children's Hospital, Sean McKinnon, WLWT News 5.